Do you know how to improve your email calls to actions to 200%? Watch
There was a
this.
study by HubSpot in which they analyzed over 300,000 marketing emails with calls to action, CTAs. The emails with the personalized CTAs performed over 202% better than those without. Imagine getting double the clicks, double the conversions, and double the revenue, just for making a simple change to your welcome email. First, a little background. When people join your list, they are at various stages of where they want to go. For example, if your niche is advertising on social media, then you're going to get email subscribers who don't even have a sales funnel yet. Some who have a funnel but haven't started advertising. Some who have done advertising but can't seem to make it work. And others who are experienced at advertising on social media but want to do even better. In other words, different people are looking for different things. But if you offer them all the same thing, your results aren't going to be as good as they would be if you personalize the offers to what they need and want now. That's why when people join your list, you want to send them a welcome email that gives them the opportunity to let you know what they need. This is called segmenting your list, and it's super easy to do. Simply write something like, "What's the main problem you're hoping my newsletter will help you with?" 1. Creating a sales funnel that's optimized for social media advertising. 2. Getting started with social media advertising. 3. Fixing your current social media advertising problems. 4. Optimizing your current social media campaigns for maximum return. The goal is to create options that guide you on how to help your subscribers on their journeys, while simultaneously telling them what your newsletter will do for them. You'll be able to speak to each list segment differently, according to where they are in the process, as well as offer the right products to take them to the next level. When a new subscriber clicks on one of the options, they are tagged in your autoresponder to that particular list. And for those who don't respond to the welcome email, you can always send a follow-up email requesting they make a choice. You might even offer them a bribe to do it. If you're willing to put in a little more work, make a free offer for each of the different levels, and then let them choose one of those offers. Doing this will also allow you to segment your current list as well. By the way, we have available for you a free training on affiliate marketing. This will help you to get more CTAs and grow your email list. Join us.